Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to see view history in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to type here Google Docs, then open up this first link and then go to Docs here, and then basically from here just click on this blank document here. And now to view, now what you're gonna have to do, just click on file, and basically here you can see that we have this version of history. Okay, so you have to type something here. So let's suppose that you have typed something here. Okay, then you will go into file, then click on version history and see version history. And now it says that on 26th of June 9:47 here I have made this change here. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.